everyone. Welcome back to A for Analysis. Today we are at day 20 of the series SQL50. Today's problem statement is monthly transaction. So we have a transactions table with columns as ID, which is the primary key, country, state, which can have values approved and declined, amount, and transstate. Write a SQL query to find each month for each month and country the number of transactions and their total amount, which is rather easy. And slightly tricky is this part, the number of approved transaction and their total amount. Return the table in any order. And this is another example. Please note that here instead of month we have year and month together as the month column. Now we will look at the solution. So here for the date format, we are getting the month in the desired format. Then we have country. Then we take count star for getting the total transaction count. And this is the part where you have to pay attention. So this is the approved count. So for approved count, we are introducing a case statement. So instead of doing count, we are doing a sum. And inside that sum, when the state is approved, we are taking as 1. And when it is something else, we are taking as 0. So ultimately, this will give a count when the state is approved, or we can finally call it approved count. Similarly, amount is directly summed up to get trans total amount. But for approved total amount, we have to use case statement again. So case when state is approved, then amount, else 0. So this will mean only when this condition is matched, it is going to have amount, and for other rows, it is going to have 0. So ultimately, when we sum this up, grouping by our month and our country, we are going to get approved total amount. So that's about the solution. See you in next one.